Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very fine. So today we are going to announce one of the webinar which is first time in our channel or our platform because this domain is one of the important domain in the pharmaceutical industry, but it is especially belongs from pharmacovigilance. So as you already know, we have a pharmacovigilance certification course and even we conducted earlier also webinars. But this is something different and this is something special as well because the early position for the pharmacovigilance is a case processing, that is individual case safety report, where the all patient data you have to collect and accordingly you have to create a patient detail information with you, and you have to share this all information to the next department. But here after case processing, the next department is aggregate reporting, then signal detection, then risk management plan, then pharmacovigilance quality assurance. So there are a lot of departments after that as well, but one of the department which is again equally important as a case processing is aggregate reporting. So today we are going to announce a free webinar on aggregate reporting. So let's get start. I will tell you when the webinar will be there and how you can participate in this. So let's begin. First of all, I just want to tell what is aggregate reporting. Aggregate reporting is one of the department from the pharmacovigilance where all the data from the case processing is collected by the aggregate reporting and submit to the regulatory authority of India. But it should be properly submitted. There are a lot of skills you needed for this domain, but at the same time there are opportunity for the freshers and as well as experienced persons in the aggregate reporting. Compared to the case processing, here there is a less saturation, but yes, about the job opportunity, there is a lot of job opportunities. Then you can say the salary, pay scale, scope, it's you can say it is really good in the aggregate reporting. So if you want to learn aggregate reporting or if you want to do career in the aggregate reporting in the pharmacovigilance, you can join this webinar. This webinar will be held on 4th of the February 2024. The timing will be afternoon 12 to 1. And how you can participate? Simple, you can just fill the Google form given in the description, or you can just call to this number, or you can directly email us on this. Okay, so you that anything like any way you can participate. Okay, this webinar is a live webinar, it is online, but we are not able to provide the recording, so that is why it is very important everyone to attend it. Okay, so who can attend? Anyone, like any pharma graduate, life science, BSc, MSc, medical science, nursing students, so any graduate or undergraduate, like if you are pursuing B Pharm, you can also apply for this webinar. Okay, so hopefully this webinar will be very beneficial to you, and this webinar conducted by the industry professionals who has having 10 plus year of experience in aggregate reporting and working in the top industry. Okay, so hopefully this webinar will be helpful to all of you. This webinar is just PPT presentation at the beginning of the 30 minutes, then followed by the question answers. So get ready with your question and answers and ready to learn the aggregate reporting. Okay, so I'm waiting for you to this webinar, that 4th February. So I request all of you who was to do career in pharmacovigilance aggregate reporting, who want to learn aggregate reporting, can join this webinar. Thank you. Happy learning. Thank you.